Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I make these easy, simple, delicious bacon, egg, and cheese popovers or croissants, whatever you want to call them. But they're so easy to make. So right here I have my eggs, granulated garlic, jalapeno, and so I'm just going to add all of this to the little cup thing I have here. So I'm going to add my eggs. I'm going to use about 5 eggs. And this recipe, I know someone's going to be like, why even do all of that? Just get bread. It's cute. It's delicious. The puff pastry is flaky and it's just good. And it has a great presentation. It's not something you eat all the time. It's just on the weekends. You want something cute and delicious and you just go the extra mile. So once you add your jalapeno granulated garlic, you want to mix that up, set it aside. Now I'm going to cook the bacon. You could cook this on the stovetop, in the oven, in your air fryer, however you want to cook the bacon. Just cook the bacon, you guys. So I'm going to cook mine on the stovetop because that's what I wanted to do today. And you just want to cook it until they're nice and crispy. I'm going to push that to the back and then I'm going to melt some butter to start on my eggs. The secret to fluffy eggs to me is first of all starting with good quality eggs, and then on top of that, not being so vigorous when you're making scrambled eggs. Just leave it alone, gently mix it, and then it'll be fluffy. You can also add milk. I didn't add any to mine. A lot of people do, but they always turn out nice, fluffy, and delicious. Also, don't overcook your eggs because remember they're going to be cooked again. Look how good this looks. This is a puff pastry I'll be using today. It's my favorite brand because it's actually good quality and it actually tastes like the real thing made from scratch, in my opinion, without doing the extra work. So I like that brand and I got it from the Kroger supermarket. What I'm doing here is just following the directions on the back of the package, which is to just gently roll it out, just one time forward each side, and that's it. Now I'm going to cut my squares. If you are not good with arts and craft, I'm not the best child, then, use one of those measuring tools or pizza cutters, which will be more easier for you guys. But I just used a knife and went at it. And I got 6 of them out of it. So now I'm just going to brush the edges with egg wash. It's just an egg with a couple tablespoons of water. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. So I'm going to add some egg, a couple pieces of mozzarella cheese. You can use shredded, but I had some fresh leftover from a previous recipe. Next, I added the bacon, and then you just flip it over. You flip it over and that's it. You don't want to overstuff it because you could run into some trouble. But just, you guys are pretty smart. You'll know if that's too much or not. However, I'll suggest maybe 2 tablespoons of each ingredient, not much at all. And these are what they look like. And I'm just going to brush all over all of them with the rest of the egg wash, which is, like I said, 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of water. And I'm popping in the oven at 375 degrees, and these are what they look like. Mine baked up for about 20 minutes. However, I suggest checking them after 15 minutes. You guys know every oven is definitely different, but this is what the inside looks like. Oh my God, you guys, I know the extra step was definitely worth it. It was flaky, it was crispy, it was crusty, it was cheesy, and just delicious from the bacon and the eggs. And it was a tad spicy, just a little bit of spice from the jalapeno. And yeah, so I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, take pictures, tag me, let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.